Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 HC thermodynamics paper. Question number 96 is a rigid tank of 300 liter capacity contains 3 kilogram of oxygen, molar mass 32 kilogram per kilomole at 25 degrees Celsius. If oxygen behaves as an ideal gas, the pressure in kPa inside the tank is dash rounded up to 2 decimal places. Use universal gas constant Ru is equal to 8.314 kilojoule per kilomole per degree Kelvin. So using Pv is equal to mRT. So here V is 300 liter, so converting this liter into meter cube, that is 300 into 10 minus 3 meter cube, and R is characteristic gas constant, that is 8.314, that is universal gas constant divided uh, by molecular weight, that is 32. Okay, so this is in kilo, this is in kilojoule per kilomole. So or it will be if we divide it by 32, then it will be in kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. Okay, so this is in kilo and this is in meter cube, and temperature is 273 plus 25 degrees Celsius temperature is given. So in Kelvin it will be 273 plus 25. Okay, so this is in kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. This is in Kelvin. This is in kilogram, and this is in meter cube. Okay, so pressure will come out as in kilopascal because this is in kilojoule per kilomole or per kilogram per degree Kelvin. Kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. So that's why the pressure will come out in kilopascal. That is 774.2415. So if we multiply it by 1000, then the pressure will come out in pascal. So we are directly using that quantity in kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin, and so that we get pressure in kP. Okay, so answer is answer is 774.2415 kilopascal.